Namaste, I'm Archana. Welcome to today's yoga practice. We will be doing pranayamas that can help us when we have COVID. From personal experience with family and friends, I realized that even though we know pranayama is good for us, it becomes really hard to do all the practices because of various reasons. We could be physically exhausted because of COVID itself, could be all the medicines that is going to help us get better. Also, a lot of anxiety about how the disease is going to progress. So all of this adds a lot of physical as well as mental stress on our body, which is not good because this reduces immunity. So I thought of two simple practices that we can do either sitting in the bed or lying down. The first one is abdominal breathing, and this will help calm our mind, increase the lung capacity. The second one is Bhramari Pranayama. This helps increase the nitric oxide levels in the blood, increases blood flow, also again good for calming the mind. I'm going to list the benefits of these practices and how it works in the description below. If you're interested, you can always read up more on it. I'm going to show you how it's done sitting, propped up by pillows, but we're going to do the actual practice lying down. So grab any pillow that you have, place it so that your back is as straight as it can get. You should still feel comfortable. Bring your right hand onto your abdomen, close your eyes. As you breathe in, you're just going to push your hand forward, and as you breathe out, gently pull your navel back towards your spine. All the time remembering to breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your nose. One more thing to remember is, if you breathe in for 1 count, we're going to be breathing out for 2 counts. This is the abdominal breathing. For the second practice, that is Bhramari, we're going to be making a humming sound, which is made by the big bumblebee. To begin, we're going to use our thumbs to cover our ears. Just there's this little cartilage just on the outside of the ear. We're going to use that as flaps to cover the ear hole. With our fingers, we're going to be covering our eyes. Our lips are going to be closed. We're going to press the tip of our tongue to the roof of our mouth, breathing in and out through the nose. Every time we breathe out, we're going to make the no. It's like when I say run, the last part, run, just extend on the no part. That's the kind of humming sound that we're going to make when we do this particular practice. Tongue to the roof of your mouth. Hands can stay, your head can stay supported against the wall or your bed. Breathing in, belly comes out. As you breathe out, without any delay, let's come to a lying position. Grab a pillow, place it where you're going to rest your head. Lie down so that you're completely comfortable. You can spread your legs wide, letting the legs flop to the side. Place your right hand on the belly. We'll do 5 repetitions. Breathe in through your nose for 1. Breathe out for 2 and 3. Breathe in for 4. Breathe out for 5 and 6. Breathe in for 7. Breathe out for 8 and 9. Breathe in for 10. Breathe out for 11 and 12. For the second practice, Bring your thumbs to cover your ear, fingers to cover your eyes. Rest your arms on the bed, or if you need, prop it up slightly with pillows. Completely relaxed. Eyes stay closed. Take a deep breath in through both your nostrils. Try and see if you can simultaneously push your belly up, tongue to the roof of your mouth. Two more rounds. Breathe in. Last one. Raise your hands. You can continue to relax here. I would like to recommend that you do this 3 to 4 times a day. You can do it before your breakfast, before your lunch, before your dinner, and before your evening chai. Each time you do it 3 to 5 times, and slowly you can work your way up to 9 times. Thank you so much. I hope this video was helpful.